Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to be talking more about diagrams and flowcharts. As we dive into the world of diagram and flowcharts, we are going to show you how you can create this easily from your system using draw.io. So the first thing I want you to do is go to your favorite browser and type in draw.io. As soon as that is done, you'll be welcome to this page whereby you can see from the first link, draw.io or diagram.net, any of the two you prefer. Once you click on the first link, they are all the same. As soon as that is done, you're going to allow it to load for some time. Then you'll be told if you want to create a new diagram or you want to open an existing diagram. Since this is the first time we are using it, we'll create a new diagram. After that is done, you'll be required to input the name of the diagram you want to create. So let's say we want to create an hierarchy for our company. So we can name it company flow. Good. We make sure we get the spellings correct. After that has been done, we're going to click on a blank diagram so that we have the opportunity to start designing from fresh. Feel free to use any of the available templates if it suits what you need. So as soon as we click on blank diagram, we'll click on create. After that is done, you're going to decide on what part of your system you want it to be created. So I'm going to choose my desktop and I'm going to click save. As soon as you have gotten to this point, you are presented with a blank canvas in which you can create your diagram. Note that this diagram are simple to create. They are as easy as just dragging and dropping them. All I want you to do is come over here and click on more shapes. As soon as that is done, I want you to click on general, basic, arrow, clip art, and flowchart. Below are any of the features you can add into this diagram, but for the sake of this video, we'll only select the top 5. After that is done, I want you to click on labels and remember the settings and click on apply. As soon as that is done, we'll be able to see all the diagrams we have selected and we can choose from any of them. Since this is a company flow, I want us to design a flow starting from the managers to directors to each of the roles members of the company will play. For example, we can start with this. We just drag and drop. As soon as that is done, we can select other elements like, for example, we can use arrow. As soon as you click on it, you can use this to determine how you want the arrows to be shaped. You can drag and drop at any point you want. You can increase the length depending on how you want it. So after that is done, you can double click on each of the items and type something inside. For example, chairman / CEO. As soon as that is done, we can pick the next diagram. So whatever diagram we want to pick, let's say this time around, we want to click on circles. So we can bring in circle. Let's bring in 3 circle. This 3 circle will signify a different important role in our company. All you just need to do is double tap on it and input, let's say, logistic manager. Over here, we can give it a role like IVMS team lead, and over here we can choose accountant. So as you can see, we are creating like a flow for our company where we see the head is going to be the chairman and CEO, and we have mentioned different directors or team lead under. Note that each of these items are adjustable. All you just need to do is drag and drop them anywhere you want. So after that is done, remember you can use any shape that you want. So let's use this arrow. As soon as you click on it, it comes to your screen. You can drag it no matter how you like. From any of the angle, you can move them no matter how you like. So let's say we want this tool to lead from the logistic manager to the team lead. So we are going to drag in this figure and we'll put it here. And we can give the figure a name if that is what you want. Or you can drop a single arrow. We need to turn this arrow upside down. Or we can also add, for example, a card. So as you can see, over a reasonable period of time, the more items you add, you'll be able to create a flow or a diagram that describes whatever you want. This can help you when designing maybe a mobile app. You want to understand the flow in which the app is going to work when a user moves from the login page to the sign up page to the home screen to the settings page to the profile page. So as an app developer, you can use items like this. Or you want to design maybe a portfolio, you can use this. Note that diagrams.net or draw.io is not limited to things like this. We can make more videos on more features you can get from using diagram.net. So if you're interested, if you want to learn more about it, I want you to like this video and also write down in the comment section what you would like us to develop next using a diagram.net or draw.io.